Okay, I'm putting this together. There's supposed to be another like basket like this. I'm supposed to put it here, but if you look, there's two little holes right here, but there's no two little holes over here for the other pole. So I'm pretty much done, but the poles is missing two holes. Okay, so this is super sturdy. Took us about maybe an hour to put together, but there's tons of space, as you can see, and also hang little things on the side, which we did, and then it's perfectly movable. You know, you can move it, put it on the side as well.
It has holes on one side of the plank, but not on the other. So I can't even mount it.